guys, we are getting ready to go to the park. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It looks kind of cloudy out. It says it might rain like later on, but hopefully right now it doesn't. But the boys are all ready. Alexia is in her car seat. Mommy Jew. She's fussing. The boys, come on, close the door. No, leave that here. Just bring your backpack, okay? Come on. We got. Yeah, they've been asking to go to the park. Yeah, see, it looks kind of cloudy out. I hope it doesn't rain. But we will see. We're going crazy. Gotta bring all the luggage to take everybody, because Alexia has her own bag. And the boys got their own bag. So yeah, we are off to the park. We off to the park?
No, it's a park.
We might go to the gym later. Say yay, park!
Park.
You a big boy?
Yeah.
So we were gonna go to the park, but it started raining. So now we're gonna go to the gym now. Yeah, it's starting to drizzle some, and the way the clouds looking, like it's gonna rain harder. And yeah, I don't want to have them out there and it gets wet and stuff. So we're on our way to the gym now. Y'all wanna go to the gym?
Yeah.
Yeah, gym. You gonna play with the toys? Yeah. That's what we're doing. So I'm gonna go surprise Daniel first at his job. You wanna go surprise Daddy at work?
Daddy, gym.
Daddy gonna go to the gym. You wanna surprise him at work and then go to the gym? There being some butts, but we're gonna go surprise him at work, and then we're going to go to the gym. Yeah. Come on.
That's Wolverine.
This way.
Yeah, go that way.
This way.
Go that way. Go. Go that way.
Uh-oh. Terrible two. The terrible duo.
Hi. Oh, what do you have? Wow, those are cool.
Oh my gosh, look how big she got already.
Oh my goodness. The little is here.
Oh, there's Daddy.
Hey, Daddy. Look at her.
You say hi?
Hey. Hey, Mama. You look like your daddy. Donna, you finally got one to claim now.
I'm gonna get one of y'all.
She look like?
You don't think I see you? Don't want to see you.
That's exactly who she looks like.
Hey, Timothy.
You not gonna say hi?
That's
Alright, come on.
yeah. You got a spade on the back of that. It's a hickey. Look, spade. It's a hickey. Is that what you're telling us? Is that what you're telling people, Chris Whitaker?
Because you said you about to go now.
Yeah, I gotta go do the paperwork, and I'm gonna go probably get edged up.
You think she Timothy? Come on.
Come on. Yeah, we're going this way. Come on. You got Daddy's back? It's heavy.
Alright, come on, we can go. I can see you.
Where's Dante, come on. Timothy, this way. Okay, bye.
You take him now.
So we accomplished our goal of surprising Daniel. Yeah, so that was good. It still looks cloudy. It stopped drizzling, but we're on another side of town, so I don't know what it's doing. The boys still want to go to the gym. I don't know about going to the gym right now. We may see what else we can do. try to go to the park or something. But we'll see. What y'all doing? You're playing? I see you. Say hi. Say hi, guys. But yeah. What? They need to go to sleep. What's wrong? I'm getting sleepy. They're getting sleepy too. That's why they fussing. So now it's raining even harder, so we probably won't go to the park today. We may go to the mall. Wait, Timothy. We may go to the mall. And then, yeah. We decided to go to the mall instead to let them play. Dante?
Dante, this way.
Don't go down there. Come here. Yeah, come here. You see the Hulk? Whoa. Oh yeah. She is knocked out. You eat it? It's good?
Whoa.
It's good? Yeah. Jump, 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 jump. Come on. You see Frozen? Whoa. Timothy, I see you. You see the choo-choo train? Huh? They've been wanting to do that choo-choo train, but it's like so expensive. It's $5 a person. That's crazy. Just to go around the mall. We can walk. Come on. You taking your shoes off? You said what? Mommy choo-choo. When you get bigger, you can play. Yeah, the baby's asleep. Mwah, kisses. Then he wants high five. Mwah, kisses. High five.
Timothy.
You didn't do daddy?
Back in here. No.
Timothy.
High
Dab.
five.
Dab. Kiss.
He forgot about you. He said, I want to play. You gonna do mommy again? Mama G waking up. Why are you fussing? Yes. You hit your head?
Yeah.
You gotta be careful. Go tell it. No, no, no. She even sleeps, Percy. nuts, some whipped cream, brownies, and chocolate syrup. That sounds so good right now. We may have to go to Walmart and get some. Too much for my diet, huh?
Hey.
You having lots of fun?
Yeah. It just did me.
She tried to get you?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're about to tell the boys we're about to leave. They're not gonna like it. Dante, Timothy, come on, let's go bye-bye.
Come on, get in. Where'd you go there while I'm stuck your leg?
Come on, let's go bye-bye. Put your shoes on.
I just want to go bye-bye.
We gotta go. Come on. You wanna go get ice cream? Come on, let's go get ice cream.
I got 2 minutes.
You got 2 minutes? Who said you got 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
You ready to go, Timothy? How he give himself 2 minutes? You better get your shoes. You better come in. Not that way. We're going this way.
Dante.
What? Huh?
Timothy. I don't know if you go to Walmart.
In the buggy. We just tell them they get their own. They can get an ice cream bar or something. Wait, Dante. You walking? Walk. Dante, no. Yeah, that is the hole.
It's Iron Man.
I see it. Come on.
I want that. I want that.
I see. Come on. They do not need to go in Spencer's. A little too much in there.
Yeah.
Cookies.
Yeah. I want one.
No, we're gonna go to Walmart and get some ice cream.
Look.
That's a big cookie.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Come on. Cheese.
Okay, do the slow walk. Walk, 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 walk. Come on, Dante. Okay, bye.
When they tell me, man, what you gon' do? I tell them like this, I'ma do it how we did take two. Standing on top of the table, I might just be doing the hoe. Making the fuss with just know you can't stop. What's the baby?
Yeah, Timothy.
And 97.7, I think I will stay in my
really?
Because Blazer Blake, he's waiting to.
You want what? Ain't nobody listening to Frozen. Mama Jill. You stick your tongue out. You see Daddy looking cute cooking? Huh? You see Daddy looking cute cooking? Yeah. Let me see Daddy. So we are having chicken, grilled chicken, and baked chicken. The ranch and herb crusted chicken with rice and broccoli. You want cheese on it? The broccoli? No cheese? And broccoli. What you gonna eat? You gonna eat some too? You gonna eat some too? Yeah. This food is banging.
Somebody got away. He's gonna kill me.
Like your food? It's good?
Be safe on the second floor. Let's go. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about this.
We're watching Rush Hour. We haven't seen that in like forever. So me and my baby girl, we're at Walmart. Say hi, Lexia. Getting some ice cream because I needed some in my life. I couldn't take it. So I'm getting the boys like the character ice cream. They're gonna pass it. Yeah. So I'm getting the boys some. I get them the Avenger ones. Avengers. Yeah, they'll like that. I'm getting me and Daniel chocolate ice cream and some brownies and maybe something. There's regular chocolate. Napolitan chocolate chip. Maybe some ice cream cones or something. We'll see. Oh yeah, chocolate fudge brownie. That's the one I want. Y'all, this ice cream and brownie is the bomb. Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh, my bad.
Ain't no my bad. Look what you did. Give me that towel behind you. You did it on purpose. You just like your son. I ain't got it all in my pants. So yeah, he just knocked my phone and my ice cream. You know, but yeah, this ice cream is the bomb. And this brownie, yeah. Bye guys. I'm at prenatal, so I mean not prenatals, birth control, so I can go pick those up. And my sugar was good. It was fasting was 92, and it has to be under 100. So